What's wrong, honey?
I don't want him to grow up. I want him to find his family.
I know, I want him to find his family too. I think he's calling for him. Maybe they'll come find him.
He wants food. He's trying to get him to go.
I know. If not, maybe we can find a worm and we can maybe chop it up and give it to him or something. He's just a little guy. Yeah. I think he'll end up being okay.
No, he won't. Babies can't take care of themselves.
Babies can't take care of themselves. But he's calling for him. I think they'll find him. Now that he's not in the pool. That silly bird, he can't swim. What was he thinking?
Oh, he did.
Oh yeah, he did swim a little bit, didn't he?
If babies can't find them, they hop.
Yeah. And he's gonna hop away. Maybe he's gonna go find his mommy.
I don't want him to hop away.
But don't you want him to find his family?
Yeah, but I just want him to find him here.
You want him to find him here?
Yeah.
Well, you won't find anything if you stay in one place.